as I mentioned a little earlier, our next guest is actually seated in our audience. We asked him to sit on that side, but now it's actually his turn to talk. He is the author of this stunning book. I mean, once you open it, it's hard to put it down. Wild interiors, beautiful plants in beautiful spaces. Quite a few beautiful people in the book, too. Please welcome back our friend and a really good sport and a heck of a clapper, Hilton Carter.
Thanks for having me.
And Hilton is also dressed appropriately. He matches his book. He is in plant camo. So Hilton,
yes.
You made a little video for us today. We're going to start out throwing to the video, but what is it of?
Basically, this entire segment in the video are about plant hacks, ways to basically find unique ways to care for your plants and make them live for you, to give you everything that they have in cool, quick ways.
So the video is this, are these plants in your own home?
These are plants in my home, yes.
Oh, cool. All right, well, let's check it out.
Hi, I'm Hilton Carter and welcome to my home here in Baltimore, Maryland. And today I want to talk about a few hacks on how you can bring plants into your space, but also how to protect your home from intruders. So the first hack, using magnetic hooks. Magnetic hooks hold up to 25 pounds, some hold 50 pounds, some hold 100 pounds. I happen to have some metal beams in my home and I didn't want to drill extra holes in spots that I didn't need to. Using tension rods is an easy way to hang plants in windows, in skylights. Lastly, we want to talk about security. Having a security system, a natural security system. And for us in our home, we like to grab cacti, place them in the windowsill, because if you have an intruder, as soon as they open up that window, they're gonna have a nice surprise.
Just saying that's kind of like Home Alone.
Yes.
Instead of like marbles and like broken glass and stuff, you get all of the cacti in your tummy tum. Okay, so you got 3 more hacks for us
We
here
have
in
3
studio.
hacks here. And the first one basically is a way to water your plants when you are in the bind. Maybe you're going off for a little quick weekend vacation.
Right.
And you want to make sure that there are plants that actually need to be watered slowly in that process. So you can take a piece of yarn, you cut that yarn, you're going to take one end. So I have 2 plants here at this moment.
What do we call that rope, people? That's a little big for a yarn, right?
It's a big one. But you take this rope, put basically, in this case,
you're making like an irrigation system.
Exactly.
Right?
And you put the other side into the soil. You would dig deep in there, place that in there.
That's
the
not
other
a hack.
end
That's
in
smart
here.
Biodynamic engineering.
Slowly, over time, while you're away, the water will seep through the rope and then into the soil to water.
That is brilliant. How long would a small bowl of water, like you could be away for a week or 2 days?
I would say it all depends on actually how much water you place in there. But
Gotcha.
you could probably be away for a week in a situation like this. This is a slow burn.
It's a slow burn on the water, or a slow cool.
Slow cool.